हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अनुभव और आप देख रहे हैं व्लॉग IT एक्सप्लोर। सो फार वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट क्लाउड और क्लाउड में हमने देखा कि मैनेज इंजन से कैसे पैच इंस्टॉल करते हैं, कैसे हम सॉफ्टवेयर डिप्लॉय करते हैं, कैसे इन्वेंटरी फैच करते हैं, कैसे रिपोर्ट देखते हैं, राइट। वी हैव सीन दिस एंड हाउ टू इंस्टॉल agent on multiple type of servers, Windows and Linux, right? अभी हम ऑन प्रेम का डिस्कस करेंगे, बट उससे पहले एक टॉपिक इसमें रह गया था विच इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सर्वर. So let me take control of, so the still console is running. Okay, so I can show you the console is still running. You can go to this computer. Sorry, not to this. You can go to this computer and see my console is still there, and I can show you my machines, okay, which we have configured in past session. Okay, Linux and one Windows machines were there, so I have unconfigured that machine from this by uninstalling the patch. So now what we'll do, we'll just go to this. So basically, as per the diagram, right, as I was showing you that there is a distribution server and there are two office type, right? We can create those office type also here. So go to agent and you see there is a remote office. So by default, there is a default remote office route. Let's suppose this default office can connect to or connect to the office directly, to the internet directly, but uh, we have another office where you have few servers which are your database servers, okay, important servers. So let's suppose, let me create an office, okay. So I will say secure office, okay, and this will be not a direct communication, okay. So to do this, we need to fill this DS detail, right? DS detail also, right? We have to fill this information, right? If you don't fill it, it will be the, I mean, if you don't do this, it will not connect, correct? So to do that, you just need to do, you just need to install the software onto that particular machine, okay, which you are creating as a distribution server. So again, go to remote office, right? Computers, and you can download that agent. So this time you don't select this agent, you select distribution server. Okay. So 1 second. Okay. So we have to install a software. Okay. Distribution server software. Okay. So let me close this, download that, download agent. I'm not able to download it, but anyways, we can do it in a different way also. Okay. Add, and I can give my secure office. I can give IP as NetBIOS name as client02, computer name as client02, IP address is 192.168.1.7. FQDNS is nothing. There is a default port. Policy will be default policy. Okay, and click on add. Okay, now this is added. Now, once your office is added, you will be getting two options. Okay, you see download agent and download distribution server. So click on this and you will be getting this download option like that. Okay, once your download is done, okay, go to this software, copy this, and take a remote control of your machine which you want to create as a distribution server. Okay, once, okay, you are able to take remote. Let me try to paste it here. So everything is running locally, right? So it is very fast. And since machine is only running over VMware, so it is little bit slow. Okay, so run as an administrator. Okay, so this is a distribution server. You can see Secure Office DS, right? Secure Office is my office name and DS is distribution server. Okay, and the setup is very straightforward. You just need to click, 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 and up to next. Okay, nothing hidden. I meant to say. Okay, and you can select your distribution wherever your software patches will be downloaded. Right? You can select that specific folder. Right. Once this is done, you can do that. So this is test machine. So we are not doing and going to do that. Okay. So it will be very straightforward and simple. So we'll install this setup, and then we'll see if that server is reporting to that console or not. So just wait for a while. Okay, let me see if I have given the wrong name. Okay, client 02. I think there is a correct one. Okay. So we have to give a name which is specific to 1 second. Let me disable the IP basics first. Okay, go to configuration, back, and we have given the name as this one. Okay, NetBIOS name we have given your summary. Get to install. I think we need to add it this. Okay, so it says domain NetBIOS name. Okay, so domain NetBIOS name, since we are not running on domain, so it is like that only. Okay, so we can give something like work group, maybe. Again, downloading the setup. See, I'm still not sure because we normally don't work in without domain environment, right? So let me see. Otherwise, we'll join this machine onto domain and then we'll test. Okay, so it is installed. See, it is very simple, right? So let me delete both the setups from my machine. Okay, let it delete later. Don't worry, we'll do it later. And now, okay, so let me check the status if it is reporting. And before that, we can check the status if it is installed properly. Zoho Corporation distribution server, you can see. Okay, so this is perfect. Now go to console and see, yeah, see, this is coming as green color now. Okay, so now how you would report other servers to this particular office, right? So to do that, earlier we downloaded the agent, right? Now again, I will download the agent and show you. Okay, so click on this, right? Now you see two office. Okay, so secure office. If you click on secure office, click on Linux and copy the link, right? Because I need to go to that another window and connect my machine, okay, that Ubuntu machine. So I will go there and just WinSCP, this one, and let me try to connect it. Let me before that, let me download it. So you understand, right? This the office, right, which I am selecting is default, not default office. It's a secure office agent. Okay, so I can show you again. Okay, so in the drop down, you will get two options: default office and secure office. So wherever you want to report your machine, you can select that office agent, and then you can select Windows or Linux, up to your choice. Then copy the link, go to the server where you want to do, and you will get a file like this. Okay, similar to that. Okay, now we need to install that file, and we'll see if that machine is start reporting into that console or not. So right now, you see, if I go to remote office, there is no machine. Okay, you see, there is no machine running. Okay, no agent installed. But let me install that, and then we'll see the result. Okay, so let me first log in into my Ubuntu machine, the test machine, the same. Okay, and let me open the terminal, switch it with sudo su, put my password. Okay, cif config. Okay, so IP is 1.6. Let me go back. Type here 192.168.1.6, my username, and then my password. Okay, so once I will be connecting on to this, put WinSCP session, I will go here, go to temp. Okay, so always go to this temp and update your thing. Okay, so which one is the latest one? 1238. No, this is not the latest one, I think. Let me see. Let me delete these all. Delete. Okay, so you can see secure office UEMS. So you will see office name and then the agent names. Copy this file, particular file. Go back to your Linux machine here, and cd cd and then you can maximize it. Okay, yeah. Now you do one thing. Just go to that folder, temp. Okay, now unzip that file. Unzip, then file name, secure. Sorry, S is capital. Linux is case sensitive. Okay, so now this is done. If I do ls, there is a file you will see uems bin, right? This one. So I have to change the permission of this file, chmod 777 uem, or you can put it as +x. So it will be executable mode. So you see it is in the green color now. It is it will run now as a setup. Okay, so it will uninstall my old setup and install the new setup. Okay, so now my machine will start reporting to Linux pointer. Okay, Linux secure office. So let me go back to this console. So right now there is no machine, right? But let me refresh this, and you'll be seeing one machine, right? In secure office, there is one machine is reporting now. And if you go here, you will see one machine is reporting, okay, successfully. Okay, so this is how this basically distribution server works. So now my machine will directly connect to DS server. Okay, and whatever patches will be downloaded, it will be downloaded into the DS server. Okay, and it is not that Linux server can be reported. Windows server can also be reported. Okay, so now I have two office. One is having direct connectivity. You see earth icon here. Okay, this is my default office. So direct internet connectivity, where office 2 is secure office, which is connecting through this DS server. Okay, so you can see DS server installed successfully. This is the IP by which we are connected, and this is the machine which is reporting to this DS distribution server. So whatever patch you want to install, now those patch, this machine will not download any patch from internet. It will ask DS server to download the patch on its on the behalf of ManageEngine. Okay, So this is done for today, and in next section, right, in next session, we will be discussing about this installation for on-prem, manage engine installation for on-prem, where this setup is SaaS, but in upcoming video, you will see how we will install DS, and I mean, we'll not show DS, but we'll show manage engine on-prem, how you will install it manually, what options you will get, right, and how you configure your machines. Okay. So now that's it for this video. Thank you for thank you for watching this, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like my video, please like it and share your comments as well, because maybe if something else is missing, maybe I can put it into my video, or maybe upcoming videos I can put it. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for the watching.